Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up this 4-piece set of 18-inch metal patio stools. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox them first, take them out of the box. These are perfect for both indoor and outdoor spaces. I will walk you through everything from the setup to the features so you know exactly what you are getting when you order these. So right out of the box, you get 4 metal chairs, 4 detachable backrests, and all the hardware you need. Everything is packed securely and neatly. As you could see, they are bubble wrapped. There was cardboard, there was wood. So these chairs are nice and protected before you even get them to your doorstep. So the assembly is super simple. Just attach the backrest with the screws provided. It takes just a few minutes. There is a tool included, so you can go ahead and screw them. We went ahead and used an automatic screwdriver just to speed up the process. But you don't need any fancy tools. Like I mentioned, it is included if you want to go ahead and use the manual screwdriver. If you are short on space, these stools actually stack up easily when the backs are removed, which makes them perfect for storing. The 12 by 12 inch seat size make these great for tighter areas like patios, breakfast nooks, or cafe corners. They stack easily when the backs are removed, so they're perfect for storage or moving them around. I'm going to give you 2 examples on how to use them indoor and outdoor, but you could actually use them in both ways. These stools work in kitchens, dining rooms, porches, patios, restaurants, even by the poolside. The detachable backs make it easy to adapt to any vibe. These stools are built to last, finished with durable matte black stools, electronic spray coating. These stools are designed to stand up to weather and everyday wear. There's a cross brace under each seat for added support, and the rubber feet protect your floors from scratches and slipping. So if you are looking for stylish, sturdy, and space-saving seating, this set is a great pick.